Life gets funny in a way because a little thing, just a tiny little thing, can change your life completely. A small poster in a train station that I saw about 13 years ago that promoted working and holiday visa for youngsters made me want to try to leave my comfort zone and travel to Australia. And 10 months of me living outside of Korea for the first time has changed my life completely. Why am I talking about this? Well, it certainly didn't change my life, but a photo that I saw somewhere on Instagram that I can remember at all made me want to fly 6,200 miles to Finland and drive 1,000 miles to Norway. It was just a single photo that I don't even remember anymore that brought me here in Norway. Here I am, doing the road trip of my life around Lofoten Islands with my precious friend Mila. 저희는 로포텐 거의 끝에 있는 마을인 레인에 와서 이제 장 보러 가는데 여기 뷰가 너무 예뻐서 한번 보여드릴게요. 너무 예쁘죠? There. And it's not going to be easy. I would just leave some bread here.
I don't believe you.
Just try.
I don't believe you. But I'm terrified.
It's good spicy. It's very spicy.
I will look ridiculous, but I don't care. There is a difference when it's spicy. This is beyond spicy. Like this is just hot, like deadly. Oh my god, I cannot even talk. It's still going. I still feel the heat. I still feel it. I don't feel cold any longer. Oh my, now I feel it in my throat. I can't believe the burning is not stopping. Still burning my lips even. Just everything burning.
Yeah?
This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
I still feel it. Everywhere. Yeah. I can't believe this is not stopping. Thank you for cooking me a meal. I'm very sorry I couldn't finish it.
Yeah.
But now
I was very offended.
For sure, I see.
I'm sorry.
Chin chin.
Chin. Thank you for the meal.
Don't thank me yet, you don't know how it will taste like.
I hope this is not a revenge from last night.
What revenge?
Like from the noodle. Well, you gave me this and then I give you this.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's hot.
Good.
I need to take a picture. My friends are laughing at me.
Yes.
Yay! The blue.
Oh yeah. So you've got 4 bottles of this.
You know, whenever we are then spending the night out, it's also then faster in the morning to boil the water if you need when you're already using a warm one. You're saving gas. Yeah.
This is a lot of weight.
We are not traveling with the car.
Mila.
Oh my god. Can you do it again?
되게 노르웨이의 전통적인 피셔맨스 캐빈 부부들이 지내는 그런 공간인 것 같아요. 보시면은 여기 바로 앞에 바다가 있고 실내를 보여드릴게요. What? Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute here.
Oh my god, how many people can fit in?
Many?
Ooh. This is just so good.
This was cheaper than just for 2 persons.
Yeah? 아쉬움을 뒤로하고 저희는 오늘은 세냐라는 곳을 가고 있습니다. 오늘은 하루 종일 비가 와서 운전만 한 7, 8시간 정도 할 것 같고 세냐는 정말 가서 제가 백패킹을 하고 싶은 곳이거든요. 그래서 행운을 빌어주십시오. So, did this road trip change my life? Well, not quite yet. But at least I saw so many beautiful stuff that I had never seen before. Mila and I established a very good friendship that can last for decades. And also we made great memories that will be cherished for the rest of our lives. You know the connecting dots story that Steve Jobs once said? I believe this trip can be some dots that can be connected to other dots to lead to something great. And who knows what that something great can be? We will see.